Yes, our buhok serye for today. So, ito yung aking hairstyle for today. Look at that, Frinay. Away ko po siya sa baba. And then, medyo winave ko siya sa taas. And for the final look is, we will be completing this look with hair oil. Pero grabe kaganda nung Dyson, guys. Kasi maganda siya sa maiksi na ang buhok. Hindi mo na kailangan maganyan-ganyan pa ba? Hindi na hawakan. Diretso na lang po siya, no? Day Garnet, saan man pala ang punta mo? Magsampay. Bakit? May problema? Kailangan. Minsan maganda din tayo, guys, kahit magsampay lang. Di bitaw, magsundo ako maya kay Nathan. Tapos, baka mag-city tayo. Pindis hangin sa labas. Kaya naririnig ko siya dito. Grabe talagang hangin, guys. Kalakas-lakas. Gusto ko puntahan yung sa Hankemoller ba yan pagkasabi, guys. Kasi andito pala ang card ko. Oh. Ay, di pala card. Di pala to. Doon pala to sa mga gold. Order po kasi ako ng 2 bra sa kanila. Siguro, mga ano na lang, pas 1 week na. Hindi pa rin man sila nag-message na dumating na. Puntahan ko po doon, baka sakali ba, baka nakalimutan lang po nila akong i-email. Grabe talaga ang hangin. Rinig na rinig ko. Ano tayo, mag-bike lang man kasi kami. Parang okay lang man, pero bakit na pa... Oh, grabe talaga. Paano yan, mag-bike kami ni Nathan? Uy, alam na this. Bakit ito sila bumalik dito? Hindi ko na intro tuloy. Na nandito na naman kayo. Magsampay muna tayo, guys, ha? Mamaya na yung pamarites. Alam ko talaga, bakit na naman kayo nandito? Kay nabitin kayo sa vlog kahapon. Magkano? Dito nga tayo, Bi, kaya pagtripan nyo na naman yung printing ko dyan. Dito tayo. Magkano nabenta ang bahay ni Mader? Itong mga chinichismis ko sa inyo, guys. Tinanong ko to lahat sa nanay ko kung pwede ko bang sabihin, no? Di ba ako magchika-chika dito kung walang walang bas-bas ng nanay ko, guys. Alam niyo naman tayo, hindi tayo masyadong chismosa. Pinapaalam ko muna kung pwede ba. Magkano nga ba? Secret baka ma-spread. Baka makalimutan ko na naman sabihin ito ba? Nung huli, naalala nyo na grabe na masyad. Ano yung content? Tapos na ang vlog nung naalala ko na hindi ko pa pala na chika yung kailan kami uuwi ng Pilipinas. Naalala niyo yun, guys? Say pa ng mga subscriber ba? Akala ko talaga Day Garnet, nakalimutan mo kaya nagbabay-babay na kami. Parang tinatamad man ako magluto for today's vlog. Uy, pero bukas baya, hindi kami dito mag-dinner. May pa-dinner kami kasama ni Bianan. Kasi uuwi kami ng Pilipinas. Nasabi ko ba to sa vlog kapon? Parang nasabi ko no. Nauwi po kami ng Pilipinas. Mag-birthday po si Bianan. Wala kami. So bukas kami mag-celebrate ng birthday niya. Tapos hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi nandyan nga yung pamilya ng kuya ni Daniel. Tapos na lang kami no, mag-enjoy kami, guys. Hindi natin magaling sa mukha ni Bianan, oh. Na-feel ko sa labas ba, okay lang man hindi mag-jacket. Grabe talaga ang hangin, guys. Sunto na ako ng anak. Ngayon, yung hangin ko na. Parang mapalit ako. Pati ang mga puno, oh. Paano ito? Guys, look at Nathan with the rainbow on his forehead. Wow, I love it. It's vacation, ha? Last day today. So what happened with the castle? Was it so good?
Yeah.
Were you wet or not so wet?
Not so wet.
Okay, that's why you did not change your clothes. But show me.
Mama, not the castle. It is all the trampolines.
Oh, all the trampolines. And Peppa Pig I saw.
Yeah.
Yeah, but show us wow, with the glitters, guys. Did you choose that?
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. And show us the picture. The picture, where is it? Binigyan, andito. At meron silang paganito, guys. Para sa last day nila. Diyan si Nathan, oh. Look at that. Yan si Nathan.
Go to
Two?
Philippines.
No, not yet. Oy, pag sure. I'm going to the Bruno Mars concert first. Tomorrow, we're going to eat dinner with your cousins, Mats and Toots, for the birthday of Omavika.
And then what will we eat?
I don't know. Maybe a pancake, a burger,
And we will
pizza,
eat.
Dutch food.
And we will eat that food.
Yeah. You like Dutch food?
No.
No.
I like Philippine food.
Ay, kuy. They don't have Filipino food there. I'm sorry.
And then I don't like to eat.
I will clean you, oh. Kaya na
And
ano yung
maybe
mukha
they
mo.
have pancake.
Yeah, maybe they have pancake. Then you want that?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have ice cream at school?
No.
Okay, then you can have ice cream.
I did have ice cream at school.
Okay, then you can get ice cream. You did have?
Yeah.
Today?
Yeah.
Oh, then no ice cream.
Okay. I
Ah,
want candy or candy.
candy or candy?
Yeah.
But do you really want ice cream then? If you really want ice cream, I can give you ice cream. It's your last day of school.
I want really want ice.
Ah, okay. Because you are very sweet, then I will let you have ice cream. Which ice cream did you have today at school?
The mango. Mom takes the mango up there. That is for mango.
Okay, that is good then. Did you enjoy your last day?
Yeah.
Did you say goodbye to the teacher?
No,
Why not?
not yet.
Not yet. It's your already last day and you did not say goodbye. How about to your classmates, your best friends? Did you say goodbye?
Yeah.
You hug them? You hug daily?
I have you.
Oh, you hug the teacher. Enjoy! You say?
Our sexy girl.
Where did you get that? Who teach you that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I am a sexy girl. Thank you. Look, guys. Mama, look daw. Nathan. Why are you always... Did you poop at school? Then let's clean your lubot because I see you always itching your lubot. Dali na. Let's clean that. Hindi niya siguro naayos ng
Wash
punas.
my lupot.
Yeah. Tingnan niyo, tingnan niyo.
Okay, Mama. Do you wash your lupot or your lot?
No, I'm not washing it. I already washed it. I took shower. But you need to wash it because you poop and you did not really clean your lubot, I think.
I did clean my lupot.
Then why are you very itchy there then? See? Look guys,
Because not enough paper.
Oh, not enough paper. Let's go then, let's go. Ay, I pity you. Diyos ko na ha, hugasan ko na. Grabe ka orange, guys. Orange ng kanyang brief. It was very orange. Tapos yung alam, yung paghahawa ko talaga sa puwit niya, may namuo pa. Why? Not enough paper, baby love. Where are the papers then? You could have asked the teacher.
Mama,
Po.
the papers was at school. Not enough papers I do.
Oh, I pity you. Then it's super itchy your lubot. Kaya pala kamot ng kamot. Kawawa man, uy.
Ay, kawawa.
Kasi you have all the poops in the world.
The apple, I have a pen. Apple pen. Pineapple, I have a pen. Pineapple pen.
Dali na, hugasan mo na.
Apple pen. Pineapple pen. Pineapple, apple pen.
Okay, Google na naman.
Apple.
LSS na naman tayo, ani ba? Hanggang mamaya na naman yan.
Kotaro on Spotify.
Dance, dance, dance. Wash your apple first.
Apple pen. Apple. Mama.
Sexy is like this. And then you smile, you smile. Yeah, that is sexy. What do you want to eat for dinner? You will choose A. Fried chicken. B. Pasta. Or C. Steak.
I want pasta because I never ate pasta.
Oh, you never ate pasta anymore. Agoy, I will eat sardines later.
What is sardine?
The small fishes.
I like the sardine. I like the half of the sardines.
Yeah,
I
but
like-
that's not what you think of. You're thinking of the crispy fish, but it's not a crispy fish what I'm eating. But you will eat that soon in the Philippines.
Yeah.
What will you want to eat first in the Philippines? The first food that you really miss in the Philippines. What is that then?
the half of the fish. The crispy fish.
Oh, that's what you want? Okay, Mang will cook you that, okay? Binalik na yung indoor shoes ni Nathan, guys. Ito ang ginagamit niya pag pumapasok po siya sa school. Tapos ano, hinubat po niya.
you
Yeah, we need to buy a new one if this is small for you.
Mama, but I want the Pokemon shoes.
You want a Pokemon shoes for inside shoes? Saan ang susi ng bahay na naman? Saan ko na naman ilagay? Wala tayong pagala, guys. Mag-ano lang tayo, mag-grocery. Hawakan mo, kay grabe ka ano. Mag-grocery tayo kasi wala na po akong spaghetti sauce dito. Tapos ang request din ng tatay niya spaghetti. Matagal-tagal na din ako hindi nag-spaghetti, guys. Pero kay Nathan, ang pasta niya, yung Easter pasta na binili niya po. Hindi na kami maglayo. Kay grabe talaga ang hangin. Diyan lang kami sa ano, guys, sa grocery po. Uy! Ang hangin, guys! Sayaw-sayaw talaga ang ano, oh. Ganito ang weather sa Netherlands. Oh! Wow! It's so windy. Paano na lang, kung hindi electric talaga itong bike ko, aywan na lang. Hindi ko talaga ako maglabas ng bahay. Oh, kaya ang hangin pa nakaharap sa akin. Hinila kami pabalik. Grabe na itong pinapasok namin, guys. Makabili lang, oh. Uy!
You are speaking English.
Which one? For ano, tonight? Oh, bolognese is yummy. Let's do bolognese. Then we need some, this one, Italian.
That's why.
Yeah, let's look with.
Easter bouillon.
Oh,
And
is
pasta.
okay because we will put your Easter pasta. Yan din po. Mushroom. Yeah, you can get. Libre yan, guys. But you still have apple at home, Bebe Love.
Please.
Okay, then put it in the...
Mama, Baloo, an elephant apple.
Yes. Nakakita ako ng parang buy-bawang, guys, ba?
I say,
Ang calories.
Mama.
What, Bebe?
you like to watch TV and exercise?
Yeah, I love that. Ah, grabe ang calories. 500 calories, 100 grams. Salamat naman sa lahat.
Like makes always.
We're done, guys. We're going home. Let's go. Yun na yun, yung pagala natin. Lipat ko muna itong mga ano, sinampay ko.
Have you bring the apple?
Of course. I have your apple. I have your pen. Apple pen. Ito na nga, ang mga napamili natin. Ito lang ang slice ko. Ay, mag-slice din ako ng garlic. Kasi, andito na lahat ng sibuyas, oh. All the sibuyas in the world. Meron din siyang bell pepper, carrots. Ano bang fry? Meron din siyang zucchini. Oh, marami na siyang mga pagulay, guys. Nakalimutan ko ano ang fry. At, bumili. Busy na naman siya sa Hey Google niya. Yung ating pa-beef. Bumili ako ng dalawa. Yung isa with basil. At yung isa naman, bolognese. At yung kanyang pa-free apple. Ang kanta. Ay! Diyos. Dito tayo, B. Ito ang lutuan natin, oh. Yung maganda nating pan. Pen, pineapple, apple pen. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng oil kasi iwas tayo sa more calories. Ano, spaghetti dito. Walang gisa-gisa, guys. Can I also do it together? Be careful. I think this is better for you because it's bigger. Oh. At saka magmantika man yung baka.
I want steak more. Because I didn't have steak.
You didn't have steak. Now, I am already cooking this and then you will ask for steak? Hello?
I want steak.
Ilagay ko na ang mushroom at ilalagay ko na din
Okay,
siya.
then I don't want steak.
Garlic.
Okay, then I don't want steak.
Okay. More healthy ang ating ano dito. Ang ating spaghetti, guys. Okay, mga sukal-asukal. Hindi yan sila nag-ano dito, nag-spaghetti ng matamis. That's hot, baby love, ha? Be careful. Put the pepper.
I want to too.
Okay. But this one is bigger. Careful, ha? That's hot. Because you know what, guys? Nathan wants to be a chef cook daw. When it's bigger.
This is more of that purple.
Yeah. This one. Careful, baby love, ha? It's so hot. Everything. Like that. Thank you. And then mix. Itsura niya, guys, oh. Itsura niya. Maya ilagay ko na ang sauce. Alaga na siya ng tamagotchi niya. Agoy. Lagyan natin siya ng basil. And, smells so good. Tapos lutuin ko to siya ng mga, ano siguro, mga 1 hour. Mas matagal, mas masarap si Daniel magluto nito, guys. Alam niyo ilang oras? 3 oras. Kasi mas maglasa po talaga siya. Slow cook ba? Slow cook. Mix lang po. Opo. Almost. He's almost here. Almost, baby love. He's already driving. Oh. But he's almost here, baby love. Wala tayong cheese. Buti nang tumatawag sila. My love! Mahal, can you buy cheese? Mahal for the, my love? A nice cheese for the spaghetti? Yeah. Yeah, thank you, my love. Yeah, that's all. Bye. Love you. Ay! He wants to talk to you, Mahal. He really misses you.
Papa, zullen wij computerspelletjes aan spelen?
Zullen we dat straks gaan kijken, wat we gaan doen?
Ja.
Ik hou heel veel van jou.
He did not hear you.
Ik hou
Hallo.
heel veel van jou, mannetje.
En ik ook. Papa, zullen we een computerspelletje aan doen?
Oh, wat heb jij mooi gesminkt. Een regenboog.
Gusto na makipaglaro sa tatay niya. Uy, grabe ang ating content for today. Sana, Inday Garnet. Hinihintay namin ang mga marites dyan. Wait lang talaga, wait lang. Kay busy pang Inday ninyo. Malapit na to, guys. Si Nathan, gutom na din daw siya. Ito kasi ang gusto niya na pasta, oh. Ito ba, meron siyang mga pa-egg. Tapos meron din po siyang mga pa-style-style bulok na rabbit. Tapos kay Daniel, syempre magkaiba po yan sila. Ako hindi ako magpasta, guys. Kasi nag-rice na ako kaninang umaga. Dagan ko po siya ng tomato paste para mas maasim pa, guys. Diba? Ganyan. Paasiman dito, guys. Hindi patamisan. Simula na ng mga bakasyon. Pero matagal-tagal pa ang ating pa-Pilipinas. Ano pa, marami pa tayong bigas na kakainin. Konti lang. Tsaka si Daniel, guys, sa kanya ko natutunan na pag nagluluto ng pasta, hindi po naglalagay ng sa tubig. Hindi naglalagay ng oil. Kasi, imbis na ma-absorb niya yung sauce na maglasa talaga, mag-slide siya sa pasta. Tama nga naman. Kaya simula nun na hindi na din ako naglalagay talaga. Kasi sa bahay naglalagay kami asin at saka oil sa tubig bago ilagay ang pasta. Pero dito, ang nilalagay po namin, asin lang. At saka pag nagluluto ako dito ng pasta, guys, di ba sa atin maramihan, iluto talaga 1 kilo kay para ihalo-halo na siya. Ihalo-halo na sa isang pan para mahalo na ba. Isahan na lang, tas i-rep sila lahat, ganun. Dito hindi. Nagtaka si Mamang Long last time ba? Kay mali ko ba na magkain pala siya ng spaghetti. Tapos ang niluto ko lang, isang lutuan lang para lang kay Nathan na ganito, na pasta. Hindi ko alam na magkain din pala siya. Sabi niya, grabe, pang isang tao lang talaga ang niluto mo, Pi. Asay ko, ay kaganyan man dito, magluto pang isahan para hindi lamog siya at saka fresh pa siya paglagay mo. So every time nakakain po kami, magluto ng isang portion para ilagay na lang yung sauce sa taas. My love,
Dit is overzet erin.
how much do you want? Like this?
Yeah, it's probably enough for Nathan and me.
No, but he wants the other one.
What about you?
I'm not eating pasta.
No.
Para fresh siya palagi. Pagluto mo next time, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, ilagay na lang ang sauce. Ganyan. Ano ba? Mindset ba? Mindset.
You know the toilet's mahal?
Why? Sige na. Nagreklamo siya ang toilet daw. Can you say that in the vlog? Or no?
Oh, probably not.
Ayaw niyang sabihin kay about sa poop niya. But you know what happened to Nathan? Went back here from school.
Yes.
And then, he is very itchy with his lubot.
He did not wipe his butt?
Yeah, because they don't have enough paper. You know, it's super orange.
No good.
Yeah, and when I wash his lubot, there's still, you know, like like you can
Mice.
yeah, like mice. Oh, mga Marites, dali na, labas na. Dali na, makinig na lahat. Kaya sabihin na natin. Dito na pinakahintay ninyo, magkano ang benta sa bahay ni Mader? 17 million. Yes po, sana all, no? 17 million. Pero, huwag kayo magsana all dyan. Para malaman nyo kung bakit kayo magsabeke-beke naman dyan. Panoorin nyo ang vlog kung bakit bininta ang bahay ni Mader. Sige, yan, panoorin nyo yan. Baka makasabi na naman kayo dyan na hindi, ganit, namigay ka na. Panoorin nyo muna yan. Sige, kung saan napunta ang ang pera. Ha? Panoorin nyo po yan. Bakit binenta ang bahay ni Mader? Pero yun lang, yung bahay lang, hindi kasama yung sa gilid na bahay po niya. Tapos yung sa may, yung sa harap, konti, hanggang doon sa kusina. Kung saan po nagluluto sila itay, at saka kung saan po kami minsan kumakain ng lunch, hanggang doon. So, kasali pa yung patio. Oh, yun lang po. Para malaman nyo ang buong kwento at saka yung nang-scam sa nanay ko na kaibigan ko noon. Tapos na yung kay Daniel. Medyo matigas pa ang kay Nathan. Ibang pasta po kasi ang kanya. Prepare na din natin ang cheese. Si Nathan, ayaw niya yan na nasa pasta po ang kanyang ganito. Gusto niya nasa gilid lang. Ganyan oh. Ganyan ang kanyang gusto guys, ng anak ko guys. And then, where will I put the cheese? You can get it. Here or there? You eat that also, ha? Okay.
Put the cheese down.
Okay, I will. Enjoy everybody.
Eet smakelijk.
Wow, all the cheese in the world and more cheese. Oh, juice ko. Good. Thank you. I want to try.
This is not Filipino style.
No, it's not Filipino style. You know, I even put more of the puree. The sardines I bought with Vika. This is what I'm eating, guys. Oh, that looks yummy. I heard mahal in TikTok mahal that sardines is very good. Very good daw that you eat sardines. That's why now I'm eating sardines. Naisip ko kanina ba? I know, I was thinking like, you're always eating sardines in the Philippines. But it makes you good daw. Beautiful. The sardines.
Sardines in the Philippines.
Yeah. This is the sardines. Look, you want it? You said you want sardines, right?
Yeah.
You want?
Yeah.
You want to try? Are you sure?
No. It's yummy.
Yeah.
Pero
Pero yung sardines daw sa oil, maganda. Yummy. You want to try, my love?
You can also make a nice pasta with
Mama,
sardines.
Yeah. Makapag-glow daw, guys. Maging glowing ka daw. Pag kakain ka ng sardines. So, kailangan isang sardines sa isang araw. In 30 days. Ano ba? Parang ginawa nilang diet. Want to try? It's yummy. It's yummy though. I'll show you guys how yummy the sauce is. Nathan almost eating it all already, oh. And then he said, yummy sauce. Wow. Say 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, girl. What is your name?
My name is Bola.
Daddy.
Gadeng. And then 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. How about you, Ma? Sige na, because it's good for your voice with your voice.
Hello, girl. What's your name?
My name is Bola.
Stop. What? Hold on, class. Hold on, class. Hold on, class. Hold on, class.
That was your favorite?
Hi, they will play now. It's time to play.
Oh, voorzichtig met eten koffie.
Coffee na kami. Coffee time.
Sorry.
Pag maglaro na yan sila sa taas, mag-edit na ako. So guys, tama na. Tama na.
Tama na.
So guys.
6-7.
Ikaw, Nathan. So guys.
So guys, 6, 7, 6, 7.